Okay. I'm live, and maybe some noise in the background, but that's a heater. But so far, right now, what I'll be building on is adding in what I wanted to do. Let me pull it up right here. What I wanted to do was have a button maybe here or right here where you press it and then it goes down, and when it goes down it's going to have, let me see, this all of this information right here, uh, and I'm gonna make it presentable, and it's gonna follow this format right here. I thought that I was going to have um all of wait all of this information right here, right here, all as the drop down place, like drop down information. But I feel as though that would have been too much information to try to cram on one screen. So what I'm gonna do is have, like I said, all the information that's down here whenever I press the button that hasn't been made yet. Um, it's gonna be about the founder, but also I'm gonna incorporate like an on hover effect for this about section right here, and it's gonna look similar to this right here. And I'm gonna try to make this on my own. I'm gonna try not to use any UI libraries, but um, it's gonna mimic this. The hard part about that is making it responsive, not responsive, but adding adding a section for that on the mobile version, on the condensed version, um, to make that look presentable. But I'm gonna try to figure all that out on today's stream. Um, Hopefully, I can get a majority of it done. I don't feel like it would be too much to uh, make this section right here. This isn't gonna be mission. This is gonna be founder bio. But I don't feel like it's gonna be that hard. But you never know. You never know. And even with how picky I am with like presentation in CSS, if you've been watching, you already know how long it's taken me to finally like be okay with this section right here and how everything looks up here. Even though someone that's seeing it for the first time, this may not be the best looking thing, but I'm trying. I'm trying. So, um, let me go ahead and get started. What I'm gonna add right here in here is going. I wonder if I can do this. Um. Okay. I can get rid of this. And this is going to be uh the founder section that is going, let me see. Okay. Okay. What I'm gonna put Actually, this is going to be an ID. This is going to be an ID. And what it's going to do is, I'm going to get myself out of that bad habit. But what I'm going to do right here is say founder section min height 100 view height. And what this should do, oh no, wait. Wait a minute. What if I make this just an A, href equals that. Alright, let's try this out. Cool. That's what I need to do. I can't use that. I thought about using a link. Let me see how that will respond to it. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. I think like that would be a waste of time. Like an anchor tag would be good enough to use right there. But regardless, what this is gonna be is, wait, could I? I may need to do something about this right here. And what I mean by that, put all of this into a div, but make it so that there's a little bit of space in between these. Also, I have it written down right here. I don't know if y'all would be able to read that. My handwriting isn't the best, but I think I'm gonna transition back into just writing things down first and getting my thoughts out, like physically getting my thoughts out using a pencil. I feel like that would work better for me. I can also like take notes on things that have happened during the stream and whatever. So yeah. But let me. There's so much stuff happening across the street. They're like, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but there's like cars that are whistling, backfiring. I just heard a loud thud. Like, I don't know what's going on, but this button right here is gonna say meet. I wrote that down here. That button is gonna say meet the founder. I thought about using one of these, like an SVG, and make it so that it's in line with everything that I have right here, but it's this that's messing that up. Because I was having that problem last time. I didn't know what was messing it up. But hold on. What does this look like? Ooh. Okay. The size of it. I don't think. Let me try height. Make that 40. I think that would be the same. Yeah. what I would need to do is make this probably like half the size of it. That's better. And then think. Hold up. Okay, cool. Now, in here, could I add bow? That's better. Mm. I could probably add, I don't know if I would apply it to this one. I could apply a class to both of these buttons. But then again, yeah, I'll go ahead and do it. Wait. Well, they're wrapped in anchor tags. Above the fold words. Yes, and margin right. One EDM, please. Thank you. Color. Wait. I'm thinking I'm gonna take this off. Yeah. I like it, but I think I'll use this for the drop down that I was talking about before up here. But yeah. Dang. Let me show y'all what I just saw on LinkedIn. This type of stuff makes it hard to come on LinkedIn. Matter of fact, let me add a stream marker right here. Cause this morning I've been meaning, I don't know. I feel like I can't make videos anymore. Not that I was ever really able to make videos at like a high level. But I don't know. I feel compelled to at least like be honest about some stuff. Well, everything, but like be outwardly honest about like this is this type of stuff just, I don't know, this could potentially just make people feel bad. Like they could do all that work and figure out like, like even though like looking back on it, well, for me, learning these things wasn't really all that difficult. But for someone else, this really could be difficult. Even though like I haven't mastered it, but like learning the basic concepts of like how to work things, this could be really, really difficult for someone. And then like to hold up, to have this is like it's kind of a slap in the face. It really is kind of just a slap in the face. And there's I I don't know how to like say it PG, but like let me I don't I can't it seems very like elitist to have this uh it's as if someone just walks around thinking that they're better than everyone. When in reality, finding a software developer job is literally the same as playing the lottery. And then to turn around and sips tea on being like, hey, all that hard work you just did, yeah, that kind of means nothing. You're actually like, you're actually nothing to me. Your life means nothing to me. It's like, all right, like what she's saying isn't false, but it makes it seem as though this whole like software developer, web developer, this whole tech environment, finding a job in it, it seems like a farce. It seems like it was never even a possibility to begin with. But on top of that, to tell people like, hey, all that hard work that you just did, hey, scrap all that. Like you're stupid. Like, all right, thanks, thanks. But this is kind of what LinkedIn is. Whenever you do reach a mountaintop, then it's time to, tell other people that haven't reached that mountaintop that they aren't smart, that they aren't capable, that they aren't worthy of getting a shot. It's like, I guess that's the name of the game. Sucks, but oh well. I don't know. That just kind of, I don't know. It kind of made me feel bad. But oh well. Let's go ahead and another thing. Okay, like stuff like this. Like at some point, like someone because I'm making like I'm earning money building this, and at some point, someone who's trying to like land their first development job, what is the criteria for becoming a software engineer? It kind of becomes ambiguous at some point. It's like, all right, if I don't know anyone that's a software developer or is in the tech space, there's literally no chance for me to become a software developer. It seems like that. Like if you don't know anyone that like put you in a position, there's no chance for anyone to find a software development job. Like like you have to know someone on the inside to even sniff a chance because there's people that know like a quarter of what you know and they're still landing software development jobs and it's really just all about who you know, not what you know. That's a life lesson, but like it really is apparent whenever I tried learning or tried to find a web development job. It's more about who you know more than what you know because there's people that know way more than me that aren't even getting the time of day or even like the common courtesy of like, hey, clean this up a little bit on your resume and then we'll like work with you from like a recruiter or something. Like it's just kind of ignore everyone and then place the blame back on someone being like, hey, there's a disconnect between you and the job market. Like, what? Like, someone is literally making money being a freelance software developer and you're telling them that they aren't good enough to like find an entry level role, like thanks, but but that's I don't know. But let me get back to this. Um, so let me close this actually, because LinkedIn is just a cesspool of trying to make people feel inadequate. Like passive aggressively trying to make people feel inadequate. Like, oh, I didn't say anything bad, but you're just not good enough to be on my level. Like, all right, we get it. You were born better than everyone. We get it. uh, hold up. Okay, so me building this out. Uh, Let me put a margin bottom right here. Let me put a margin bottom. Probably like three. Three. Uh, nah, 2 in. Oh. Let me try to. Oh wait, it's not right here. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. Hold on.
So having a buddy to ask.
Sorry. All right. I'm sorry. This kind of took me out of like the development mood. I'll still be here developing, but like, yeah. Actually, I may make a video later today on that. So, or at least a reel. I'm I'm trying to figure out how to make videos again because there's a whole lot of like editing and stuff, and I feel like making a short or a reel is a good way to like get back into the groove of making like a longer length video. So, yeah. But I need to work on being more efficient with my time. So I've already put the margin bottom. Is it? Yeah. I've already put the margin bottom on there. So hold up. Let me put a check right here. Like I'm trying to put checks on stuff. So, um, that now let me put all of the content that I would need this to have, which is, um, no, this. I need this to be in here just to have it there. Um, no. How? Oh no. Oh no. I forgot. I can't because this is like this. Ah, man. Let me do this. Let me put that right there. Take that right there. And then I'm gonna use this. Oh, wait, I think I can do it up here. I'm gonna do all this. Copy that. Ah, why don't you go away? Awesome. Problem solving. Now. This looks like a lot. So, where? Because I want to match it to what my client actually gave me. Application. Boom. That's a. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I need to break this up into paragraphs. Okay. Where's the next one at? Center. Boom. Restoration. Where are we at? Boom. I wonder. Put that in there. And that should break it up. But like I said, I'm going to follow this format of how to break it up. Because I kind of looked at some things. I may even do this, but excuse me. I also looked at I don't know why this is such like a thing to base things off of for me. But like people really like this design. I don't. But like the Apple website design and everything, people are really big fans of this. But this looks cool. But I've seen better websites than this, and especially on mobile, this is a nightmare to navigate through. This is a nightmare. So I don't know. I may more or less take this approach. Oh, I love that so much. I may take this approach and go about it like that. So I had thought about having just, individual um like pictures coinciding with each paragraph, and then flipping it, being like, all right, this is left aligned, and then this right here is right aligned, and then like if it's right aligned, have the picture on the left of it, and then if the paragraph is left aligned, then have the picture on the right of it. But I don't know. I really don't know. So, I think let me try to take this 100 off. This 100 view view height off and see how it looks whenever I. Okay. Okay. I don't hate that. I don't hate that. Um. I should probably make founder section P. How does this look? Cool. But I really would like to. Actually, now that I look at it, I may use this. What am I working with? So I need to also look at what the pictures that I'm working with. Um, hmm. I'm not sure if videos would really do the trick. Like, I may leave the videos because there will be like an involvement section. I plan on putting it under the drop down in the about section on the nav bar. I may save the videos for the involvement section, but I'll also may make it to so that whenever someone scrolls to a certain, that's what I really wanted to take from the Apple website is like the scrolling features. Like if someone scrolls to a certain part of the page, like a fade in or do some type of like animation um for that. But really the tough part about that is making it responsive on smaller screens. So there's that. Um I'll also I also have considered on smaller screens to like actually I may do a mix of both. That's what I may attempt to do. Do a mixture of what I had talked about, like left aligned, right aligned. But whenever I scrolled to a certain page, fade this in, fade this in, fade this in. I may do that. So to make it look a little bit more more modern. So yeah, yeah. Let me handle all of this in here. Cause like, please. Give me a second. Uh, hold up. I'm like blocking bots. Wait. How would I? I'm trying to figure out how I would like get people out of the user section, like accounts out of the user section on Twitch because these are bots. Like there's a lot of bots in here that aren't contributing to the viewer count or anything else. Like it's just cluttering things up. So but whatever. What I can do is no. I could do like a block. Wait. A block that has this in here and then image. Let me just use one of like it may be this one. Let me use that one. Here we go. And do that. And just repeat that over and over. Wait. This image. Here we go. There we go. Div. Right. I'm gonna be able to. Cool. Thank you, Copilot. Oh, whoops. I'm realizing that I did this incorrectly. I want that right there. I want that right there. And that right there. Yep. Sorry. Stay hydrated. I may have to do some padding in here. Yeah, let's try try that. How does this? And this. Like, I feel like they need some level of like marking, like how I have it here, like a title or something of like why this. Like, excuse me. Each paragraph's like. Matter of fact, this is what I'm gonna do. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Because it doesn't really have the full context of each one of these paragraphs. So, what I'm gonna do is, wait, uh, for each of these paragraphs. Now, this, I need to, there we go. Hello, thanks for watching. Where's the other one at? Oh. In here. There's that. And then finally, I need the last paragraph. I feel like having this would shore up some of the space that's right here, because these pictures need to be large enough to like justify why they're there, but also, oh, let me put a little bit of padding on that as well. I'm gonna do it like a whole, because this needs some space, but also some top space as well. Also to give these some space in between them. So, yeah. Where is? Okay. Oh, I didn't even do it. Hold up. I'm getting old. I'm getting old. I don't like these. What? Helpful. Wow. Please. Okay, okay, I get it. I'm never doing that again. Fine. Sorry. Alright. don't even know if that's correct, like more summarized, but like that's not what I'm. Mm. Also, one thing that I really wanted to happen. It's a really big milestone for me. Uh, I didn't think that I would get this far into YouTube, but I'm one. I'm one off. Uh, oh, hey Diego. I'm one off of 50. 50 subs, but I'll get it sooner or later. But like I woke up this morning and I was one off of 50 and I was like, "Oh, I'm so close. I'm so close." But wait. Fix it. Wait, hold up. Let me look. Has it recommended? Oh, thanks, Diego, for being my 50. My 50th. Thank you. Thank you. Has it recommended you my channel a lot? Or is this the first time? Because I've looked at how many like lives I've made in the past few months, and it's a lot. Like I have, like my video count has just taken off, and these live streams count as videos. So like I have a lot of videos on my channel now. I just don't think that the algorithm likes me, and granted, like, wait, but have you seen other videos of mine? Like, not seen other videos, but like, have you seen other thumbnails of mine on your feed, or is this the first one? Oh, well, thank you for giving me a try. Granted, I'm not the most entertaining, and this is like coding stuff, so it may be a little boring, and I'm not the best coder, but I try to make it a little bit, I don't know, interactive. Like, I like seeing y'all in here, connecting with people and stuff. So, yeah, yeah. I don't want anyone to make a. Oh, okay, good. I don't want anyone to make it like a. I saw like a few videos on Instagram, and it was like I popped into this guy's live stream, and he had 0 viewers, and then like they made a video of like helping him blow up. I don't want any of that. Like I don't. Nah. Don't blow me up. Just keep it low key. Just keep it between us. We'll build it up organically. So yeah. But I don't know. I just really like coding, even though like I would like to find a software development job, but yeah, most of the time. Like I just wanted to like make a YouTube video around web development because I just naturally enjoy it, but I would like to make a career out of it. But right now it doesn't seem all that possible. So unfortunately, even though like people try and try and try, but like I don't know how likely it is. Especially with like AI and the economy, like the economy in America. I don't know about the global economy, but like the economy in America is kind of in the toilet right now. So I don't know. I don't know how likely it is for me to find a software development job right now, but even though like in like earlier in the stream, I still had LinkedIn open, and I had refreshed it, and like the first video up there was like it said HTML, CSS, and JavaScript doesn't make you a software engineer, and it was someone like drinking from their cup, and I was like, dang, that kind of makes me feel bad because like, granted, learning to code wasn't necessarily hard for me, but it is hard for other people. And like, if someone was viewing that and they were really trying to like make a career out of web development, like if it was like really a struggle for them, like seeing that would make them feel like trash. Like like to have that level of like elitism and being like, yeah, that hard thing that you just learned, yeah, it doesn't matter. Like try harder, noob. Like but I guess that's kind of like I said before. I guess that's kind of like the name of the game. Whenever you get a job, is like to like make other people feel bad. Like I don't know. Hold up. This heart is like getting in the way on my screen of like that little heart symbol at the bottom right. I don't know if it's the same for y'all, but it's getting in the way of like reading all the text. So that's YouTube's bad. But you said, yeah. If you look at the roadmap site, you will probably feel trash too. Yeah. Well, okay. Are you talking about like that big like whether it's hold on, let me just pull it up. Um it's like rep, yeah, the SH, that this right here. Yeah. It's like front end, and it's like a big this whole thing. Granted, I don't feel bad whenever I see this because like I'm able to make websites with React. I use Firebase as my backend, but I've made plenty of websites. Like I make like decent amount of money freelancing. So I look at I've seen this before, and truth be told, if you aren't in a team, I feel as though like Firebase or MongoDB or something that's like backend as a service makes it easy enough to build out your own apps. So really just networking. That's how I get clients for freelancing. Just networking, like just talking to people, and if they are serious about like building like an online business for themselves, like I can just make it for them. That's one really big lesson that I feel like a lot of like content creators just aren't mentioning, is like if you don't know anyone, or like if you aren't in a area where people are like building businesses, or where people already have jobs in software development, and you're looking to have a career in software development, it's about as real as Santa Claus. Sorry for any kids out there, but it's as about as real as Santa Claus. Like all this like um learn how to code in like 3 months and find a job in 3 months stuff. I get people have to like pay their bills and whatever, but it seems really like disingenuous to people that are like serious about learning how to code and really enjoy it, to tell people that you can learn how to do this in 3 months. Like, honestly, okay, those edge cases is like 1 in a million. You're you're basically playing the lottery if you're looking at it like that, like trying to do it in like 3 months. Like, and especially if you don't know anyone. The thing is, all right, if you know someone, really, you kind of don't have to even know anything about like programming. Like they'll just get you into the job. Like I've seen that plenty of times. People just don't know, and they'll like onboard you, teach you on the spot, and things like that. But like if you're already like knowing how to like make websites and things like that, if you don't know anyone, you might as well pick another career because recruiters aren't going to give you the time of day. Like it's next to impossible to land a software development job. Unfortunately, like I don't know. I don't know. That's just my experience or my like what I've seen so far. But yeah, all this stuff. Granted, you don't really have to learn mobile. Oh, my bad. Mobile application. Even though I do want to learn React Native. Um, all this stuff. eh, A lot of companies aren't really using all this stuff. It's React. It's Angular. Maybe Vue. Maybe, but it's React, Angular, and stuff like that. Theoretically, you need to send hundreds of SCVs to even land an interview, or a couple of them. Sounds like an absurd. It is an absurd number, to the point to where it's a pipe dream. So sorry to burst any bubbles, but like if you enjoy coding, continue coding. Like it's not gonna like if you're looking to like get a job doing this, I don't know. I have to be real with you. I don't know. I'm not gonna kill your dreams, but and especially because people are getting laid off left and right now. And I'm not saying that you're gonna be competing with people that like have 5 years of experience already. I'm saying that like even with the people that have no experience, like you're basically like they're basically pulling from a hat, kind of. So if you love if you love coding, continue to code, and it'll come. But trying to learn it in a few months, it's hard. It's like unrealistic expectations, unfortunately. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna use these titles. I can try it, but I don't know. I don't feel as though these titles do each one of these paragraphs justice. Maybe I'm not look like maybe I'm not describing the kind of titles that I want, but yeah. Oh, I'm building a website for my client, her ministries. It's actually I try to like do a decent enough job of like paraphrasing things, but um I don't do it enough justice. But to sum it up, it's a ministry dedicated to providing a safe and supportive environment for women to heal from trauma that they have experienced. Um that's I think it's a good cause. It's just I don't know. It seems good to me. It seems pure, and it's an honor to help help my client build an online business. And yeah, yeah. So I plan on making this as clear as possible for people that visit the website, and not lay it on me to try to describe it a lot, because every time I describe it, I feel like I'm like I'm messing up. But it's a good cause. It's a good cause. So yeah. Um, let me hold up. Let me figure out how to word this because I don't know if I'm just like it's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. It's just not gonna do it, unfortunately. Like I wanna mimic this. Like how each section has a purpose in everything and but also I don't know. I kind of shot away ever since Chat GPT has like opened up for me, and like Bard hasn't been. Let me try it. Let me try using the prompt that I used. Uh, there we go. There we go. Oh, you like it more? People have been complaining about like ChatGPT's quality recently. Oh. Never mind. I read that wrong. But people have been complaining about ChatGPT's quality recently, but I haven't seen anything that makes it like unusable or anything. Granted, this isn't the best, but it probably lies on how I'm asking the question. But let me see. Mm, hmm. Yeah, I think this really has come clutch because this one has given me options, but the one thing that like ChatGPT held over Bard was ChatGPT was more clever. Like it had more wit to it. But this seems more clever and more witty than this. This seems very bland. It seems very repetitive. Like if I had these titles or these titles, I feel like they would like be saying the same thing over and over again. But these, one, is giving me options, and two, these seem a little bit better. Let me ask. Let me ask. Multiple. I don't mind a little bit of sass. So you only gave me two. What is this? It only gave me two options for each one of these. Hold up. I'm leaning more towards Bard on this one. Thanks for the tip, Diego. Thank you so much. Um, where is it? 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 Cool. All right. I think out of these, if I read this over, who uses her gift of ministering to bring deliverance and healing to the total people, mind. Oh, to the total person, mind, body, and spirit. This may be my pick for the first title. So, here. Where is it? Wait. I may have a div inside of a div. Have this be an H2. Bring this up here. But on all of these. Where is it? Sorry. No. That's what I don't want. That's my cat. My bad. What can I do? Can y'all hear him? My bad. He just needs some attention. No. Well, fur baby, yes, but not like a real human baby, no. He may be making an appearance. He's up here now. I think I should. Hold on. Okay, chat. There we go. I think that may be the fix. But take it off of here and do chat. Yeah. This looks better. But it's not exactly where I would like it to be just yet. But it looks better. These images are just placeholders though. So I'm trying not to have the color of it throw me off too much. But yeah. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for joining. Thanks for subscribing. I try to go live every day. So hopefully I'll see you again. And I don't know if it's on my YouTube, but I have a Discord. I don't know if it's linked in my Discord description, but I have a Discord. So if you want to join that, let me know. But I hope you enjoy your lunch. Now, and thanks for the bar tip. But Need help? Please don't get up there. No. There you go. Alright. Let me read over again. Is a board certified Christian counselor who received her formal education from Southwestern Assemblies. I may just use this. I'm not going to use this whole thing. I may just use this. Do the same thing. Where's this? Do H2. Oh, no. Oh, wait. How would I do that? Like on every other. How would I do that in CSS? Like for every other div, like the second, every second div, I would like it to have text aligned right. I'll probably just use Chat GPT to help me figure that one out. But what is going on? What is going on? Why? It was moving on its own. Hold up. Actually, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. This has been a pretty good stream so far, but I need to go to the little boy's room, so I'm back. I'm back. So, um, I'm sorry, my hands are a little bit wet. But, I wonder why that was doing. See, did it again. Wait. Oh, now I can't catch it. I can't catch it doing that. I don't know why. Uh, um, mm, now I'm trying to consider if I should take this off. Truly considering, but I just don't know. No. Okay. I'm gonna take it off and see how it looks. Yeah, and probably we're gonna do that. Let me ask first. I know there's a certain like a yeah, it's yeah. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That kind of looks kind of wacky. Hold up. Wait. It may be because of like how. I don't know. Wait. Let me put a 2, 5 in front of that and see. No. Put a 7, 5 in front of that and see. Better. But on here it looks a little bit more flush. And like, I don't know, just cleaner. I'm wondering wait, what would that look? What would one of these messages look like pinned? Would it pop up? No, I don't think it pops up on. No, it doesn't pop up. Never mind. I was thinking it would pop up because I'm trying to figure out how like other streamers on like YouTube they can have certain images highlighted on the screen that are in the chat. It may also be people that are highlighting their own messages and doing stuff like that. Maybe that's how they're doing it, but I don't know. I don't know. I wish I could get all of these bots out of the Twitch chat. Because I can't tell which is which. Fine. But let's see. What are my options? That's what I was looking for. Like it wasn't center, but it was justify. Let me take that 0.7 off. That's huge. I still don't know. Because this looks good. Could it... Is it possible to put... There's another one. Let's try that. That may be better, but I'm still not sure. Because then that can get confused. Let me try center. No. Let me try. There's a difference between right and end. Actually, it isn't. Unfortunately. Um... Okay. Oh, no. Wait. Huh. But even then, could I put justify content? Just try to space around. See, there it goes. That finally caught it. Like it matters if I have it. That's so weird. That's so weird. Okay. Why is this not being applied to the other one? Oh, that's why. Let me get these titles in here, but first let me read this paragraph. Mm. Ooh, that's a good versus. I don't know if it should be creating a safe space for women to heal or healing rooted in faith. That's a good matchup. Hmm. Let me read this again. I might have to go with this one. I might have to go with this one. Oh. And then. Whoa. Whoa. There we go. Last but not least, div h2. Oh, let me read it. Her Ministries provides opportunities for women to grow, learn, and connect with one another through various programs and events. Oh, this is what I can do. Okay, let me take a page out of this one. Like it has click here, click here, click here. These are all call to actions. Well, not this one. These are all call to actions. So in each one of these, sorry, hold up. Oh yeah, these are the sentences that she provided for me to use in these Word documents. Oh, you mean for the titles? No, this is kind of this is titled, this document is titled Her Ministry Founder CEO Bio. This is the bio that she wanted me to use. But just like on the homepage, I made this brief description um based off of this. All the information that was in here, I used ChatGPT to make this tagline right here for the homepage because I didn't want to make the homepage a little like all too wordy, at least above the fold. So I use ChatGPT to summarize kind of the mission of her ministries, and then a call to action that's going to lead to all of this being um, uh, on the page. So, yeah. Yep, yep, yep. And now that I look at it, I may have this same layout on the about page. That may be what I have. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do it. I wouldn't be able to. I'm not that crafty, that witty. Like I use ChatGPT and AI for like being like crafty and witty, like for YouTube titles, YouTube descriptions. Like I don't really know what to use. So, well, granted, what I do use myself for the titles is like the stream titles, but that's more of like a feeling of how I'm feeling that day. So like I'll just put a random phrase up there like how I'm feeling that day, and then I'll match my energy because it's like more organic. But like if I'm trying to figure out something like this, or I'm crafting like a dedicated video, I'm gonna use ChatGPT for the title. So I didn't excel that well in English class, even though like I could do it. I wasn't really a English head. I like math, so yeah. Um, but yeah, I am thinking. I don't know if me using these these same layouts would be repetitive, like how I have this right here on the home page. If I did the same thing for the about page, I don't know if that would be repetitive. Or should I use like a text align center type of thing? I don't know. Because if I just slap it on there like text align center, I don't know if that would be too like archaic and make it look old. And I want to make it look a little bit modern, but I don't know. I don't know. But I'll probably go back to adding in these these call to actions inside of here. So, for example, what I mean by that is adding a button right here. Uh, this is this no. This is a nav link. Is that capitalized? It is. This is a nav link. This is a button. This is going to be to about slash. Could that? No, wait. I'm putting the wrong one. It's right here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm debating between if it's repetitive or cohesive because I want the site to follow a certain theme, but I don't want that theme to be old or like look like it's from like 1998. I don't want to do that. Like it would be weird if I was on this homepage and like okay, how this is like left aligned. If I came down here and everything was like text aligned to centered, Like if it was all centered on the page, it would feel disjointed. And that's why I'm using this style. Why is this so much? Wait a second. Why is that not being applied to the image? Hold up. Hold up. It's not being applied to the image. Because the image is still all the way over here. But. Hmm. I'm thinking about what this call to action link would be. This could. Wait. Uh. This could. Okay. This would lead to. Um. This would lead to the contact page. This paragraph right here seems more contact focused. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to one see, it's saying this, but I don't think that would be the best practice. Like I want them to be like individual and not use the same words like ChatGPT was giving me, but you can choose titles that are more descriptive or more concise depending on your preference and the context. Okay. Uh. Empower. Wait. Have I already used empowering? I've already used empowering. No. I don't want to use the same word. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. One would be one of these one of these would be targeted towards the podcast episodes tab. But there's also going to be like a drop down. One of these is going to be for the mission, and one of these is going to be for the vision. So I have to figure out, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 options. So I have 4 options for 4 paragraphs. You're saying the podcast episodes one should be right here? I think. I don't think what I'm about to say is, I don't think I would have a call to action right here. I don't think that would really make sense. dang. Oh, I'm gonna have five. I'm gonna have five because one of these is gonna be involvements. Like it's gonna be like a carousel type of like showing her like actually giving like speeches and being like interactive in the community. So there's gonna be three options in a drop down right here. I have the option of targeting the podcast tab while also the contact us. This is gonna be the involvements actually. This is gonna be the involvements. Yeah, that makes more sense. And I may be able to use a different title for the first one. What were the other options right here? No. But I will be using this. I will be using this. Um, where is it? There we go. At at nav link button. There. Wait. Wait. What did I just say? Yeah. Yeah. I've been using Copilot on one of my other projects that I've been building, and it's helped me a ton. It's come a long way, I think. Copilot's come a long, long way. And that's what I was gonna. Wait. just to make that look a little bit better. Why would that be? Oh, that's why. That's why. A lot of these could be sent to the contact page. That's the hard part. This is going to be to the involvements. Yeah. And this. These are gonna either they're gonna be inverted or they're gonna follow the same uh design pattern as this. They may actually be inverted. Like black background and gold text. Because I was considering making this whole div a black grayish background like this one. But then that kind of takes away from the contrast. So, what I could do is that. What? Kind of. Whoa. No, I don't like that. My bad. What do you I might. I might. I was thinking, yeah, I was also thinking of making like every other one, like this be gold background, and then this one have the same background as this, and then alternate all the way down to the bottom. But not sure. I think that's the way that I'm gonna go. I think that's gonna be the way that I go. I'm not doing that right now. Wait. This, and 2EM in here. I may take this off. See how that looks. That looks better. But I'm not doing that. What I will do, background color that, and color be that, but also invert these. So just copy that, boom, right there. Please. Thank you. Oh, my bad. I don't know if that looks worse. I don't know. That may look worse. Uh, it looks cool when you come down here, but it messes up whenever I hit right here. Then it starts to look bad. And then on down the page, it's just like, ugh. That may be me. That may be me saying that it's ugly, but do you think that it's ugly? I don't know. I'm steering on the side of ugh. I wonder what the CSS part about. Chat, please. There we go. There we go. Okay. Hold up. Okay. Oh, that's what I would need to do. Is take. Let me comment this out. I'm thinking. I don't know. Wait. Thoughts? What I would, I don't know. It makes me think about, okay, could I, would it be bad to divide these up a little bit more and put uh this right here, but then have that right there? Nope. Disregard what I'm saying. Disregard what I'm saying. Disregard what I'm saying. Okay, wait, no. That's not gonna work. Um this is hard. I don't hate this. Like currently, do you like this or keep it straight gold background throughout the whole thing? I don't hate this. That's the hard part is like figuring out which one looks better because like there's so many like different ways that you can do this and so many ways you can take this. Hey, thanks Raymond. Hey, long time no see. Hey, hope you're doing all right. Hope you're doing all right. I've been thinking about texting you is just life, life, and stressing over stuff like this. Mainly stressing over stuff like this. Yeah, I think. Chat. Chat. Okay. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick with this. Fix up these buttons. And yeah, yeah. I don't want to jinx anything, but I may be on the move. I may. Fingers crossed, Lord willing, but I may be on the move. Maybe relocating, but I don't know. Hopefully. So. Yeah, my wall is chalkboard. My wall is chalkboard. Yep. I have it like this in here, my office, and on two walls in my bedroom. Like, I like to be a little bit creative, even though I'm not that creative, but just to jot some thoughts out. I'm getting back to using pencil and pads. So, yeah. 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 Perks of home ownership, but like it my mom, she didn't like it. She thought that it would be bad for like resale value, but in my mind I'm never really selling it, so it's mine. So, you know, why not be a little bit expressive with it? So, put a little bit pizzazz in there. But the living room and everything looks very traditional and basic. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, well, I haven't really. Where's the eraser at? I haven't really been doing all that much writing on it, but I don't really like do like the. Yeah, yeah. I don't really bang them together like that, so. There's too much to inhale. So. Yep, 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 yep. Hmm. Wait. I wish I could figure out why this is flickering. Like the height and the height and the no, that's not it. That's not it either. This. It's using the same. Because on here. home image. Home image has a set height. So, ugh. But this is set to auto. Huh. Put that right there. Okay. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. ChatGPT time. um. How would I ask this? I don't know if it would even. Yeah, the flickering is due to the difference in heights. The problem that I have with this is okay, this is cool and all, but I need this to be set to auto for responsive purposes on mobile. Because if I set this. Hold up. Should I? Hold up. And that really looks bad. Hold up. Here's how you can do it. Huh? Huh? Oh. See, that's the tough part. I'm kind of. Fine. Fine. But even with that. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Uh. What all, I'm gonna follow all that it's telling me to do, but I don't think this is gonna fix anything. Yeah. You might be right, Diego. ChatGPT is it hasn't advanced. Where's the other one at? Okay. We're back. Maybe using view width instead of EM. Maybe not. It would probably mess up everything if the user resizes. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Wait. Let me try. Because on resizing, let me try to do. Where's the header at? Oh. Oh. App head. Am I still using app header? I am. Oh. That, no. Top nav. Top nav. Where is top nav at? There we go. Would it be a line? I have to put a display flex on there. Hold on. That's so weird. Maybe a line. Wait. Now I wonder if I'm even targeting the right element or the right class. Cause no, it's not in here. Routes. Let's try routes. Routes. Center. Okay. Let's look at what a text align center would look like. I might like this more. I might like this more. Error. What width is this? No. Oh, wait. I'm doing that incorrectly. Cool. Now, it's zoomed in. Right. It's zoomed. Okay. What is this? What's causing it to do this? Oh. Oh. Huh. Wait, what if? Because it's not anything right here. It's one of these. Yeah. Sorry. It's not the margin. Let me take this off. Yeah. I'll have to take that off. The only problem I have is it looks a little bit scrunched now. Actually, no. This looks alright. Yeah, this looks alright. Now. Yeah, I don't hate this. Now, this. Before it breaks. Wait, it's not breaking. Wait. What? Hold up. It isn't breaking whenever I do it on inspect. Whoa, I'm sorry. I just completely just locked in. I'm sorry. But I'm trying to figure out why it's doing this. Before it starts doing that, what is this at? What's this? That's 1100. There's no way that's 1100. Yeah. And that's when like OCD kicks in and it's like I gotta fix everything so that's like pixel perfect. That's when it should break. But up until that point, it's 860. I guess I have to change everything to 860. Instead of the 800 that I was using, I guess the breakpoint is 860. Let's see what that would look like. See, I'm really just using basic HTML CSS for this one. But on my next project that I use, I said I was going to use it on my next project before I started this one. But for this one, I thought I was going to be basic. So I was going to use basic HTML and CSS. But I want to build a project with Tailwind. Because I kind of just default to making inline styles anyways with raw CSS. So I might as well use Tailwind. So, did I do everything that I need to do? Yeah, I did. Alright, let's try it. Oh, I'm doing the wrong window. Oh, my bad. Hold up. This is better. Huh? When does this become? Huh? So for a brief period, this is text align centered. But whenever it reaches this, it. Oh, okay, wait. In here, where is it? Hmm? Is it above the full where things get centered? Let me try to use. Maybe. I don't know if that would do it. Nope. Um. Oh, that's why. That's why. Cause I have that active. No, it was a me thing. I have that active. Mm. So really, I would have to go up here. What? Wait. What? Okay. And then whenever. This is so weird. Because this should always be that. But the problem is. Huh. Okay. 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 That's cool too. Actually, I don't hate this either. But let me see what it will look like on smaller screens. Okay. I don't hate that. I don't hate that, actually. There's a little bit of. What's going on? Right here. Whenever I hit. It's 860. It's between 860 and 858. What screens? I would like it to go straight from this right here down to this. But this little um like gray area right here, I'm scared of how it's gonna behave on other screens. Like right hell. I might have to let that one go. I might have to let that one go. Sorry, but just for my sanity, yeah, yeah. Wait, let me get back to these titles because I need to change this one. Okay, ChatGPT did not do this. Whoa. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Is this using as if she said that quote? This is a Bible verse. Come on, Google. I just big Google up and then want to do this. Mm, let me refresh my brain on what this says. I could say something as basic as meet Diana. Have to make different styles for each viewport. You would ensure the style you want, but let me change over. But the OCD. Oh, this heart is in the way. But the OCD goes hard, and it really. Oh, and it is really time consuming. Sorry it took so long to read that, but yeah. Yeah, I was thinking of making like a desktop like making a component for like desktop and loading it in depending on the breakpoint. It's all good. No, it's not your English. It's this. It's this hard. uh Google does great things and then just minor things. But I understand. The English is actually really good. I actually use commas. English is my native language, and I don't use commas. Like you use them like really well. That's good. That's good. I try to speak Spanish whenever I talk to other Spanish speakers, but I also don't want to be like insensitive, not insensitive, but like insulting and just use like bad grammar or not know certain Spanish words. So I refrain from using it, but I know a little bit. A little bit. Not enough to like use it on stream. I'm not gonna embarrass myself like that. But like I know a little bit of like conversationally. I'll put it like this. I know enough. Oh, Brazil. Well, yeah, Portuguese is completely different. It's completely different. Yeah, cuz there's Portuguese words that are like one letter and I don't know how to pronounce them. Like I think it's like a C with like a little bit of a thing at the bottom of it. I don't know how to pronounce that. Oops. Huh? Wait. So wait, that little C thing that I'm talking about, that stuff, is that like proper Portuguese? Like how there's like slang language for a certain language and then like proper language for a certain language? That. Is that proper Portuguese? Is it like saying like sir and ma'am? Is that like the equivalent? Oh. If it's useless, then why is it? Wait. Thanks for tuning in, Raymond. I'll catch up with you once I'm done streaming. I'll catch up with you. Good luck in your meeting. Replace it with. But if y'all replace it with like S and double S, wouldn't that mess up the spelling of other words? Cause wait, hold up. But okay, if y'all use S and double S, everyone understands what y'all are doing. It's like okay, I'm from Texas, and we use the word y'all. It's not necessarily like we used to have like you, but we don't use anymore. It's just not cool anymore, or like What happened to it? The U is slang? Or like even in proper Portuguese, the U has been deprecated. What? Y'all just updated the whole language as a whole? What? Y'all just had like a big GitHub repo for the language and just like said, nah, this is deprecated. Y'all don't use that accent at all anymore? That's wild. That's wild. See, in English, we just make stuff up as we go. Hmm. That's so cool. Oh wait, let me also look at this. On something like this. What? Dog. Wait. My bad. Oh, that's how it's pronounced. I didn't know how it was pronounced. I would think that it was pronounced as like hard C, like in English. Huh. The more you know. Oh yeah, I also have to make these look better. What does this look like, the mobile version? Okay, I just took it away. Fine. I'm taking it away. On bigger screens, yeah, this can live. But on smaller screens, I gotta take these images away. Sound, for example. Huh? So in a sentence, if it's just standalone, you would still pronounce like the S, like the sound? Or just run over it, like just ignore it. That's great. That's so cool. Wow. Wait a second. This may be a dumb question, but is it like for how English speakers you overuse the word like? Like? Is it kind of like that? Hmm. Hmm. That's cool. At least y'all have rules and stuff. English is, at least American English is just like say whatever you want to say. Even we have like text language and like abbreviated stuff like that and acronyms and stuff. That's like accepted. Wait a second. In here, above the fold, would it still? As long as you try your best, that's all you can ask for. Let's try that. Let's not use that. Did you fall? I kind of feel like this is like a little bit too far over here now. How do you do it? How do you do it? Wait, you can do that? Okay, wait. You're right. We we know how to manipulate the DOM. So hold up, hold up. Let me do it on my screen too. What am I looking at? Uh, button. Hold up. It's not gonna let me. Thank you. Huh? It's still. Wait. Huh. Like the circle around it is still there. Let me see if I can. Maybe I targeted the wrong thing. Maybe I targeted the wrong thing. Because it's kind of wrapping around. Oh, I think it's the whole um reaction control panel. Yeah. Let's try it. You're so smart. Cause yeah, I tried to like target the heart, but even that, there's something behind it. So yeah. Thank you. Thank you. There's gonna be a problem whenever either the page crashes or I refresh the page, but I'll remember. I'll remember. Thank you. Mm-mm-mm. The thing is that for some reason now, uh, this page and this, well, honestly, all pages randomly, they'll crash. And I don't know why. It isn't like a RAM thing, but they'll just crash. And then I'll have to reload it. It's mainly this page, the YouTube Studio page right here. I don't know how much I can really show, but yeah, it's the YouTube Studio page. Yeah. Um. Wait. I probably use this one. Yeah, for the first one, there was an issue recently with ad blocks and memory management. Maybe this was the reason. I was gonna say that it's happening on other pages other than YouTube, but I am using Chrome, so it may be a Chrome thing. You may be right. It may be a Chrome thing. Cause I kind of, you may be right, because I did update my ad blocker recent. Well, it auto updated, but maybe that's the reason. Maybe. Wait. Maybe that's too much. I use that. It helps me on Twitch as well. That's why I use it. Like, there's another one on Twitch. I think it's this that I use on Twitch. I think this removes Twitch stuff, but this is the best ad blocker that I've seen so far for like all pages. And all the other ones don't really work. Unfortunately. This seems too long. This seems too long. And I don't want to reduce the font size. I may have to reduce the length of the title. But I do like the title, but the presentation on it is like, ugh. U block. Honestly, I don't really have a preference on. I use whichever one works best, but I haven't really had the best experience with U block in the past. Maybe it's gotten better, but I'll try it. I'll try it again if another page crashes. But yeah, and if it keeps on crashing, then it's probably a my computer kind of thing, and I'll deal with that accordingly. But thanks for the recommendation. instead of doing that, is this? Let's try space around. Nope. Nope. I think it's also the. Right. It's also the. No. Ooh, that's a blow. Maybe I should take this off. Wait, but. Huh? That's not the problem? I don't need all that. Mmm. This didn't matter. I had two that's doing that. Wait. That's so weird. It's doing that, but hold on. It's doing that. But what if I. There's birds outside, my bad. That's why. That's not why. I learned JavaScript first. I was trying to remember. I learned JavaScript first because I took a 2 year um program from my local college, and it taught me PHP, JavaScript, a little bit of mobile development and stuff like that. And we just did raw HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But then after that, I picked my front end framework and I picked React. So yeah, JavaScript first and then React. But people tell you not to jump straight into React. But I mean, they're not wrong. They're not wrong. It helps a lot to learn React before jumping in, or it helps a lot to learn JavaScript before learning React. If programming is hard for you, but if it's easy and you can catch on fast, then I don't see a reason that you would have to learn all the ins and outs of JavaScript first before learning React. So just learn how to really with React with JavaScript is just learning how to like um, manipulate the DOM with JavaScript only, and then you should be able to use React. Like DOM manipulation is really the hard part. So on excuse me, on just like a front end web development view of things. But if you're doing like Node.js and like actually programming with JavaScript, then you would have to learn a little bit more. But like just making basic websites like this, DOM manipulation is really the main thing that I would say. Eh, yeah. Why did you switch from Java to PHP? My cat is running around. You got the job though, right? Does Brazil use a lot of JavaScript or are they more PHP focused? Oh, this may be better. Then again, I could take the for women part off. Because this is. What I have is hope and healing. Hope and healing hits better. Mm. Hope and healing hits better. Ooh, that looks a lot better. That looks a lot better. Okay, okay, okay. Mm. Oh, also, for smaller screens. Wait, for smaller screens. Where is that? Oh, div image. There. Should do it. Uh, may have to make this take effect sooner. Like whenever it hits that 1,000. Whenever it hits 1,000, I'm gonna do a media query. I don't know why I do it. Oh. Here we go. There. Cool, cool, cool. Wait. Should I? Should I put this above this to make it take effect? Alright. Come on. Right here is probably when I want it to take effect. 1,200? Alright. $1,100? Fine, 1,100. But also, I need to make this. Okay. What is this? Okay. I think that does what I wanted to do. Cool. Maybe I should, maybe I should make this important. 'Cause, wait, if I take this off, but if I set this, if I set that and make that important, and then try it right here, it's no longer flickering. But what I will do, still flickering. No. This hurts. Man. Oh, whoops. In here. Let me see what I can do. Matter of fact, this may be the reason why it's so Oh wait, wait, that's not why. That's not why. Oh, my bad. Why does that not apply? What? I'm just gonna leave it alone. Because okay. Okay. Mm, Screw it. This is gonna keep on flickering. I mean, I could also do something so that it does match the same dimensions as this. I could do that. Yeah. That may be what I do. Now, to put styles on, I'm just gonna forget about that. But to put styles on these buttons, um, go down here. Let me copy this. Let's see what that would look like. No. Okay. Flip them. Oh no. Uh. 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 Cool. Now to take. What did I use for the buttons up here? There we go. Just actually just take all this. Slap it down here. Because it doesn't apply to the things up here, does it? Cool. Maybe a little bit too big. Maybe. Just, oh. Have it down. Um. So when it comes to this, the True Testament. Oh. Ooh. The only reason why I would think that this would be the involvement is because of the word work. But this whole thing gets women involved, if that makes sense. What does vision say? This may speak. This may speak to the vision of it. So what I'm gonna do is link this to the vision, and then have this right here. Where is it? Cool. Nope. I can't decide. Because as I read this second sentence, the ministry offers counseling services, support groups, workshops. I need this to link to something. This should be involvement. Sorry. This should be involvement. And there should be visions. Now, do I already have mission? Yeah, I have mission right there. Let me see. Is there something in here? I'm trying to say, if there's something in here, whenever I link, whenever I flesh out these pages, say like on the about mission or the about involvement, at the end of it I could link it like have a nav link button link to this page, to the episodes page. Uh, well, the notion that, um, yeah, yeah, there will be a root about page, and then these are going to be offshoots of that. And it's going to be just like how I have this. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. Oh no, I accidentally refreshed the page. I accidentally refreshed the. Oh, now the heart is back. Okay. So let me go in here and do this one. Do that. Would it be this? And then copy all of this stuff right here and just replace with that and the color with that. What? Oh. What? Come on. Hmm? Yeah, it's gotta be one of these. No! Feel like I'm in a good spot right here, I think. Oh, that's one thing. That's the last thing that I wanted to accomplish today. I'm gonna add a footer. I don't want to overwhelm myself too much today. So I'm gonna add a footer. And it's gonna be on the main layout. A footer. And the footer for now, just for now, just to have a placeholder, is gonna link to not gonna be a nav link. It's gonna be a link to my portfolio. There we go. How would I? New tab. I'm trying to figure out how I would do the open link in new tab thing. It's like blank something. Um, that target blank. I don't know what this means, but you always add. That's so weird. Okay, but also add in this. Cool. Made by all right. So in here, I'm gonna put it right here. A footer. What just happened? Where'd it go? Oh no. It didn't go anywhere. But the background color is gonna be that, and the color is gonna be just invert them. What? Center. Boom. Oh, whoops. Color, but also text and decoration none. Oh, wait, I should put that on the footer A. Boom. And it does it. Alright. I may upload everything that I have so far to GitHub just to have like be like, hey, I'm active on GitHub. When I'm not working on Optinote. So yeah. I think I think that's it. I think that's it. For today, at least. So thank you. I'll be going. It's my dad's birthday today, so I'll be going over to his house, spending time with him. But I will be live tomorrow, probably at the same time. Let me go ahead and just put it in the like everything in LinkedIn and everything, and Discord and on my YouTube channel. Um, I'm gonna be live at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. So, just to let you know. And I hope to see you there. If not, it's okay. I completely understand. But just want to build up some consistency. So, shouldn't her mission be wait, wait, wait. Right here? Well, What would let me see what would be the proper I'm I'm gonna use this right here. I'm gonna try to use this. Uh I was thinking about that. It actually looks a lot better. Oh no, these are just made by me. She didn't specify anything about this. I'm just making call to actions. Are you saying wait, but are you saying the text should only be her mission or just like this like the capitalization? No, I mean when she mentioned her mission. Let me read this over. Which section is it in? Uh capitalized. Capitalized. Oh. Let me think about that. What I could do because the branding is that, let me do that. If she uses capitalized, she's probably referring to her. Yeah. But then again, if I think if I use this right here, it's kind of it's playing off of the title of it. Yes, it is talking about her mission as a person, but it's also talking about her ministry's mission. So I think this would probably be the correct um way to spell this out. I think. Hey chat. Well, well, it's her ministry's mission. Cause that the only reason, not the only reason, but one, it's already in here, but also in the document that she provided. Uh, one is called mission statements, and also this. So it is kind of confusing. A whole bunch of hers and a whole bunch of missions, but like the way that I'm describing it is confusing. But like it's her ministry's mission. So yeah, yeah. But like I said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. Like I said, I'll be live at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time tomorrow. So, yeah. And then as soon as I end the stream, I'm going to be uploading everything to GitHub. Oh, so you shouldn't use the dots between ones, like, because she used the dots when talking about. The reason why I'm using the dots right here is because of the title. Like, it plays off of the name of the service. So, yeah. But you're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Hopefully, I'll see you tomorrow. But yeah. Thank you. Thank you again. And thank you for helping me reach 50 subscribers. It means a lot to me. Hopefully, you'll be around watching the streams whenever I hit 100, 200,000. So, yeah. But I'm signing off. Thank you. Later.